7 foods that charge you with energy. Not sure how to survive this work week? Do you have any strength to do anything? Do not rush to run for another cup of coffee. Fruits, nuts and other foods rich in complex carbohydrates and fiber will help the body wake up. Carbohydrates are broken down to glucose, the main source of energy for the body, says nutritionist Germain Guy. He claims that you should choose slow carbohydrates, because they are the best for the body. As for the stagnantly slow carbohydrates, which are abundant in garnet bars, soda, and sugar drinks, it's better to forget about them. Of course, they will muffle the feeling of hunger, but they will not give you a single gram of energy. So, on our list are 6 products that can invigorate you throughout the day and provide vitamins. Grapefruit. If you like grapefruit, you are very lucky. This fruit contains a generous portion of vitamins and healthy carbohydrates. Add a fresh citrus flavor to this list, and get the perfect recipe for vitality and good mood. Does grapefruit taste too bitter for you? Eat an orange or a couple of lemon slices. The apples. The next time you leave the house for business, remember how your mother put an apple in your backpack, sending you to school, and put this fruit in her purse. Choose a variety to your taste. Pectin is contained in apples. These are very useful dietary fibers, with the help of which the body on the one hand digests food and assimilates energy, and on the other, removes toxins and waste. Nuts. Almonds, hazelnuts, walnuts, the perfect solution for a snack. Nuts contain magnesium, copper, riboflavin, vitamin B2 and other substances that improve brain function, concentration and increase strength. The main thing is not to forget that nuts are a fairly high-calorie product, so if you do not want to gain a couple of extra pounds, eat no more than a handful of nuts per day. Banana. Bananas are a natural antidepressant. They are tasty, healthy and boost your mood, thanks to the hormone of happiness, serotonin in the composition. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, glucose, fructose, valuable fiber. All these substances help the body fight fatigue and fill up with strength. Match. The HLS menu star and the star's favorite drink, matcha green tea, contains an impressive dose of antioxidants that is beneficial for the body, chlorophyll, improves digestion and, according to many healthy food gurus, can cheer up coffee no worse than coffee. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, calcium and magnesium, vitamins B2 and B12, and this is a good solution for both breakfast and snack during the day. Choose natural Greek yogurt without sugar and artificial additives, then you will get a low-calorie product that will improve digestion and energize. If you wish, you can add berries to yogurt. They will provide the body with additional vitamins, healthy carbohydrates, fiber and antioxidants. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a generous source of soluble fiber, which is good for the heart and, among other things, provides the body with energy. Oatmeal cooked in water or vegetable milk and decorated with berries will be a delicious and satisfying breakfast, which will help to keep you feeling full until lunch. Beans, chickpeas, lentils, beans. Beans are a valuable source of vegetable protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, the ones that provide the body with energy, so feel free to include lentils, beans, and chickpeas in your diet. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.